Hi guys, welcome back to my Bird channel. It's me, Bird here, and today I'm going to be testing out this theory I had on how to make some banana cookies. So first you preheat your oven to 350, and then over here we have all the ingredients. We have a bowl, a banana, apple squeezy, that's just easier to find around in houses. We also have some baking soda, some original powdered sugar, and some flour, and this part's optional. Hershey Kiss, well, just chocolate and white chocolate. We just have Hershey Kisses because we found that around our house. So yeah, so let's get started. So first I'm going to take my bowl, bring it over here, and then I'm going to take my banana. Let's just, okay, that worked. So we're just going to peel open our banana. And I'm not using my hands for this part because I don't feel like getting my hands that messy. So we're just going to roll up our sleeves. This is a hard banana. Okay, Mama Bird's going to have to take over, guys. And we will... Okay, guys, so I almost done mashing up this. Mama Bird did help a bit. So yeah. And we just have to mash up these teeny little chunks. And it's okay if you don't get all of them, because in the process of mixing everything else in, you will end up squishing all those. So now we're going to go back over here. I'm going to giant jug of flour. And it's only a little bit filled. It's fine.
You need a spoon.
So now I need a spoon. So I'm just going to do... gonna eyeball it, guys. We don't want to get rid of the flavor of banana, so we're only adding a little bit of that because we're also adding powdered sugar and baking soda, so this will also act as dough thickening stuff. Still tastes like banana. We're good. I was hoping. Okay. Bowl keeps slipping away from me. So now let's go over here. Now we're going to take this powdered sugar, and I'm just going to take the same spoon I was using for the flour. It's a big thing of powdered sugar. No, it's not for you, Jamie. So we're just gonna mix this up. It has to be a dough consistency so we can knead it with our hands. So I'm gonna add more. Not that much, just a little bit, like that. And then some more powdered sugar. And so now, there we go. And we're gonna mix that up. It smells really good. Doesn't look too good, but it smells amazing. So guys, it's not really getting into a doughy consistency. I'm gonna add some baking soda. Let's just see what that does. Not that much baking soda. It's probably a good amount. Maybe that was too much. If you saw our cupcake making video, we added way too much baking soda. We're gonna add more flour. Okay guys, I can feel it thickening. Maybe I just add a lot of sugar. That's way too much. Mom Bird's looking at me like that's disgusting. There we go. So now, just like this, mix it on up. We're going to take our apple squeezy, open that up. Just get a little bit of that in there. Mom Bird's looking like that's disgusting. It's fine, Mama Bird, it's fine. See, we're getting that banana color back. It smells really gross. Mom Bird's smelling it. She's like, dang, if I'm gonna be eating this, I don't know what it's smelling like. We know how much, like, cookies powder it calls for is powdered sugar. Okay. So, because cookies have granulated sugar, the way they get the dough is they add a lot of powder. That's what I'm guessing. Guys, it just keeps getting bigger. Mom Bird, you want to taste the dough? Mom Bird's going to taste the dough, guys. Is it good? Does it taste like banana?
It has a weird aftertaste.
Well, that means we gotta add more sugar.
It's plenty sweet.
Okay. Putting the sugar down.
Maybe you could add some chocolate chips and bake it with the chocolate chips in it.
We don't have any chocolate chips. We only have vanilla chocolate chips.
Maybe you could add some white chocolate chips and bake it with the white chocolate chips in it.
I got an idea. We will come back once this bag is open. Okay, guys, so now that we got this open, just gonna... That may have been too much. Never too much. Just because I don't like them doesn't mean that I can't bake with them, right? Okay, guys, we're just gonna add a little bit more baking soda. Just a little, there's just slimy utensil on there. Fine. I definitely don't use this for slime. We have two, but we grabbed the wrong one. So guys, should I put down something like spray? Is this a...
It's non-stick.
Okay.
It should be fine. Do you want parchment paper?
Sure. So guys, we just put down some parchment paper and I'm just gonna eyeball it again. Get off of there. There we go. Gonna make this bigger. Probably a good idea. If these are good, we gotta bring some to my grandma. To Grandma Bird. She likes cookies. We did not make that much batter, literally, guys. Good thing is, this doesn't use egg, so it's good for your child to lick if your child will eat it off of the spoon. If this works. If you make it. Yeah. Guys, I literally don't know if this is gonna work. I just thought of the idea because I was watching how to make I was watching What Will It Slime, and they used a banana and flour, and I was like, I got an idea. So we'll come back when we have all this scooped off. Okay guys, so now we're going to put it in the oven. We got all of them. And Mama Bird's going to open that for me. And I'm just going to put that in the oven and let's leave it for 10 minutes and see what it does. And we will come back. Mama Bird's looking at me like I'm crazy. What are you thinking?
Convection bake cooks a little faster. Why don't we just put it on 5 minutes and we could always see what happens.
We'll come back once it's been 5 minutes, guys. Okay, guys, so it's been 5 minutes. They're definitely not ready, so we're gonna put them in for another 5 minutes, and we'll come back once that's done. So, guys, we ended up doing 3 minutes. Mama Bird talked me into it. Okay, they're ready. They're ready. They're ready, guys. So 8 minutes in convection bake, and they're ready.
They smell good.
Let's do a good sign.
All right, well, let's let them cool and we'll come back for the taste test. What do you think?
Well, no, because we're not ready yet. Guys, so me and Mom Bird have decided that we're going to take these Hershey Kisses that I mentioned in the beginning. We're going to put them in this bowl. Make sure it's a microwave safe bowl. I do not like any type of chocolate, guys, so this smells very bad to me. So, and I'm going to put that in the microwave, and let's add 30 seconds. I'm going to grab a spoon, so every 10 seconds we're going to take it out, and yeah, we're going to stir it, because I'm pretty sure that's what you're supposed to do. And take it out. Start. So we'll come back. Just keep doing that every 10 seconds and we'll be back. Okay guys, so now we have some melted chocolate. Just gonna stir that up a teeny. And now we're just going to set it right here. And then we're just going to, okay, that does not look good. Doesn't look edible at the moment. If you know what I mean. Okay guys, so we just decided to spread it, but I am determined to get a good, cute looking drizzle. So, oh no. It does not look edible.
Oh no. When's the taste test?
In a minute. Mom Bird's like, okay, now I really want to try it. Oh, that one's looking cute.
Save that one for Grammy.
Grandma Bird. We can make another cute one. I believe in myself. That's all that matters. There we go. Mom Bird's like, you save those for Grammy? I'll have the ones with a lot of chocolate on them.
Mm-hmm.
So guys, we're running out of chocolate. So now I'm just going to do little dollops. Because it's cute. Hopefully. Dollop, 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 dollop. Okay. Now we're just going to my cousin is going to love this. He's going to be like, why didn't you bring me any? And then last one. And then just let that chocolate cool a little bit and we will be back once it... Okay, so now time for the taste test. As I said, I do not like chocolate, so I'm not going to be eating one of these. But Mama Bird does. Okay. Here. Now we're going to grab a fork and I will start taping. Not yet, Mama Bird. Not yet. Okay, so we have our little banana
Can
thingy.
I just pick it up?
No, you have to eat it with a fork.
Ooh,
like you're fancy.
Well, today we will be testing the cookie. It is moist and soft like a cake cookie.
Is it good?
It's so good.
It's good?
It tastes like banana bread. Mmm. It's really, really good. It's really, really good. 5 stars.
Well, guys, that's it for today. I hope you liked it, and I'm hoping that the banana bread had a fun time living. And please follow my TikTok, and it's Rennie Bird channel. And we will see you all next time. Bye!